Welcome to One Drumming. This is the 8 on a hand warm-up. This exercise is played by playing 8 eighth notes on each hand for 8 measures of 4/4. That's our first measure on our right hand. Let's hear that again. All right, and now let's add in our left hand. Okay, let's hear that one more time. Okay, let's combine the right and the left hand, and we're going to play for 8 bars. Now let's try taking this a little bit slower and work our way up to our faster tempos. Each rep will begin with a count off, which looks like this. And then immediately we'll begin playing. Let's try it at 70 beats per minute. These tempos are a great opportunity to work on the fundamentals. These include your grip, your timing, your stick heights, and the power you put into the stick between your right and your left hand. Now that we're getting a little bit faster, we can use this opportunity to make sure that we're playing with our fulcrum, using a little bit of our arm to get some power behind it, and still focusing in on the timing of our sticks, making sure that the speed isn't sacrificing any technique. This has been the 8 on a hand exercise. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Also join our Discord if you'd like to reach out to me at any time or talk with other drummers in our Discord community. Make sure too, if you like, to join us for our live streams that happen every now and then. Those are posted in our Discord. So if you see the notification for that, great opportunity to play, ask questions, and just kind of hang out in real time with me as we talk about drums and learning for beginners to intermediate. If you're interested in lessons, also reach out to me at my email, onedrumming@gmail.com. Would love to have you part of there. We always got some free time to work with you on your stuff. Until next time, remember, practice makes permanent.